What's up, guys? So I'm headed to Hunter's doctor's appointment right now. I would attach you guys to the windshield, but I have my pop socket on here and I don't think it would go on. So I'm just holding you real quick. Don't worry, I'm being safe. I'm looking at the road and it's probably going to be super wobbly. But we're headed to Hunter's first doctor's appointment, his 1-year doctor appointment. And man, has this kid been going through some stuff. We have transitioned to him to milk. We're doing lactose-free milk because I know he has like a dairy intolerance already, and he's just seeming to still get gassy. So I don't know if he's getting shots today, but I'm going to try to record when I'm in there and ask her some questions. And I just feel like he's not getting full enough with giving him milk. Like, he has one in the morning, one midday, and then one at night, and he's eating solid foods between there too, like good sized meals, and I just feel like he's not getting full enough and he gets very fussy. But also I know that he's getting pretty fussy because he's teething, like I mentioned, and I think he's constipated as well. So alright, we made it to his doctor and we'll see you guys in there. Someone just got his shots and he is not happy at all. I know, sweetheart. It's okay. I'm going to give you your smoothie. Mama brought you a smoothie. Bye-bye. Pumpkin. These little shots. Did that scare you? So totally waiting on a light to turn green, but wanted to come on here, and I wanted to, I hung out with my sister Alyssa for a little bit before Zach came and picked Hunter up. Right now it's 2:30 and he came and picked Hunter up about an hour ago. I had a few little errands I needed to run, and then I just went and got myself some lunch. Saw someone that I have not seen in quite some time, and it just bugs me so much when you feel like you're close to someone and then out of nowhere they just stop talking to you, and then they see you out in public and stuff and then like kind of act like everything's okay, or they just pretty much like it's just awkward. I'm not one to act like I like someone. Like, it's not that I dislike people, but when you like say that you're going to be there for somebody and you completely just like shut off and not talk to them anymore, I just think that it's pretty messed up. So, I don't know. I feel the most exhausted I have been since I've given birth to Hunter. Like, the last week has been, we did his birthday. Sorry, I'm not staring at the camera, I'm driving. We did his birthday, and I picked him up from Zach's a few days that I usually don't have Hunter. I picked him up and hung out with him for Thanksgiving, and then the day before his birthday and stuff too. And I've been sleeping on the couch for the past, like, today is Wednesday, and since Saturday night I have been sleeping on the couch with Hunter because he is teething. He just got his shots. He's been constipated, so this little boy is just going through a lot the last week, and obviously I put him first because I want him to feel better, but I just am feeling so exhausted today. I was so excited because usually when you get to pick up early from on Wednesdays, when Zach picks him up early, I usually plan out a few videos that I want to film, and I was very excited because I had a pretty 2 or 3 pretty exciting videos that I wanted to film today, but I don't like filming when I'm not, like, I feel like when I'm not myself and I just have no energy. So I'm going to film that in a few days. So I'm gonna go home, enjoy my lunch, and I was walking really weird. Go home, enjoy my lunch, watch some Teen Mom, watch trash TV, lay in bed, take a nap, and eat chocolate, and just have me time. Ooh, maybe I will actually take a bath tonight. I definitely am glad I thought of that, because I am totally going to take a bath tonight. Yay! I have a bath bomb that Trisha got me for our swap, the Soap and Glory one, and I've been dying to use it, so I'm excited about to use that. I'll probably definitely do that after my nap though. Anyway, I don't know, just felt like coming on here randomly and saying that. I'm trying to vlog a lot more. Not quite sure how well I'm doing with it, but at least I'm trying. But I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Good morning, y'all. Oh my gosh, I gotta do something with this hair. But today, I'm gonna sit you guys right here. Today's Christmas. Whoa there. Was I holding you this way or was I holding you this way? Probably this way. I'll just hold you guys. Today's Christmas. Merry Christmas. I totally spaced recording this morning. I had Hunter this morning, and we just hung out and we took a good nap. I was super tired, and I was telling Matt's working today, which totally sucks, but I was telling him that I wanted to do my makeup today, but I just had no energy. But that nap that I took with Hunter totally gave me a little bit of energy. I'm gonna make an iced coffee, show you guys what I'm using for it, because I came up with something new that I really like, but it gave me some energy to record a few videos today while Zach came and picked him up, hanging out with him for a few hours, and then he's gonna drop him back off, and then we're gonna go spend Christmas at my mom's house. So yeah, let me show you guys what I make, what I use for my iced coffee, and yeah. Okay, just get a glass cup, or whatever you want to. Come on, ice. I knew that was gonna happen. Way too much. Whatever you want to put your iced coffee in. Usually I put it in this cup that I have for like when I go out and about. Definitely gotta have a straw for my iced coffee. Okay, just 2 things that I get. So if you guys watch Nicole Guerrero like I do, she totally, I think it was this that she recommended, and it's a cold brew coffee. You find it in like the refrigerated section. I got this at Safeway, but I'm pretty sure every grocery store has it. It's just a vanilla coffee, and it says lightly sweetened. But I just pour, hold on, let me open this up. So this right here is like 3 coffees worth for me, because I don't drink a lot of coffee. So I'll pour that much in there, and you can see that I have enough for probably about 1 more coffee for me. And then I got the almond milk creamer, which she uses. But I got mine in, what did I get mine in? Vanilla? Yeah, vanilla. And then you only need a splash of this. Look at that. See, I only know that I'm going to drink this little bit of the coffee, because I can't drink a lot of coffee because it tends to upset my stomach. But this amount will totally wake me up, and I mean, you can totally fill up your glass so much more. Let me taste test it. Okay, maybe a little bit more of the creamer. I just love the way creamer looks when you put it in coffee. Perfect. So I am so happy I tried this out. I know it's probably like, so I got my green screen set up for my videos. I'm just gonna set you guys down right here for a second. But I could totally brew hot coffee and then put it in the fridge. But to be honest with you, it would, like, to me, it tastes stale if it sits in the fridge for too long. And knowing me, that's how it would happen. So, alright, I need to go and, well, I need to get some of these videos recorded. Be sure you guys check out my Instagram. I've been doing little mini tutorials on there as well. I'll probably be posting them up on YouTube as well for you guys who don't have Instagram. But, yeah, I just totally did my nails. But this nail right here, it's hard to see. But I forgot what company it's from. My friend, I'm going to call her my friend. She's super sweet. Kat Young, she recommended these nails, and these like the stick-on nails. So I'm totally testing. She sent me a sample, so that's what this one is. I'm totally testing it out to see if it works a little bit better. Then I'll put the name up right above here, what the company's called. But I want to see if it works and stays on a little bit better than regular nail polish for me, since I do clean houses. So, yeah. Anyway, time to do my makeup and my hair.